Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to find friends on Discord. So basically you can go ahead to your browser right here and basically just type Discord, right? Discord servers, and from there you're going to be able to join in to multiple servers, public servers, and you can find new friends from there because you're going to be a lot of people who join join the network. So basically you can just go back to your screen if you have a specific friend and then go ahead to your Discord, and basically what you're gonna do, you can just go ahead right here and click the adding icon right here next to the search right here. You can invite a friend right here to join to Discord, or you can just go ahead and click on the messages right here at the top and then click add friends, and basically you're gonna be able to add them by their username, and then just go ahead and send a friend request. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.